Okay, you guys, yeah, we're going to, we bought a 2-year warranty on the generator. So we're gonna return that today and get it for a fresh new one. I don't know if you remember, but when we were in Montana, before Lisa's medical emergency, it wouldn't start. Had a heck of a time getting it started. Well, but we did get it finally get it started and use it like one more time. But we're gonna take advantage of this 2-year warranty and return this today. But they want it to be drained, no fuel. So I'm going to show you how to drain the fuel in them. Okay, I've already loosened these a little bit here before I thought to bring you guys along. These two screws, you can leave this in. Then you just got these pinch fit. This right here goes into here. So, okay, we'll set that aside. Windy the past 2 days. It is first week of April, and high today of only 65 or 62 or 3 or something, and windy. But anyway, okay, we'll get to this. Okay, what you're gonna want to do, have this set to run. Then it's this line right here, and we have to get my glasses on here. But get your position. We want to open this screw, and then it'll drain out here. And I'm just going to put it into water bottles. So kind of hard to film and do that at the same time, but I'll give it a try. Hang on. Oh, wrong one. Alright, this is going to take a while. That's how you do it, you guys. See it coming down through there? I thought it was this one, but it's just this one. Okay, we're going to get that drained and get it returned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.